What is going on, guys? I wanted to do this quick tutorial in Greenhouse Spirits of Amazonia. This tutorial is how to find the log bed, or the palm tree log bed, I believe. I had played this game a while back in this game mode. I played the story mode a couple years ago, but I could not find a tutorial on how to find this. All I could find was how to find it in the story mode and how to find it in survival, which is through a plane crash. And this game mode here is kind of a prequel to that. So those events hadn't happened yet. So you will not find the log bed at the location of the plane crash. But the location of the log bed is very, very simple to find. It's not difficult at all. You just have to go to the first achievement, which is finding this boat here. It's the first thing you have to do in the game anyway to progress. Yeah, you just come here, inside of here, and read this book. Okay, find a book. And there you go. It unlocks the log bed, and I believe it unlocks the palm tree log bed too. Simple enough, it's very easy. Like I said, I just wanted to do this quick tutorial to show that because I couldn't find it anywhere, and hopefully this helps you guys. If it does help, then consider leaving the video a like, and if you want to see more content, then subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next one.